Alright guys, here is the genuine Audi system. So as you can see, we've got radio, media, everything just works as normal. And what we're going to do is remove the main radio module from the glove box. So you will need these Audi radio removal keys, and then we can start unplugging. Next up, we're going to remove the glove box. So there's a bunch of 8mm screws all around it. So we've got 3 at the top, 1 at the back, another one here, and a couple underneath. We're going to use the grey LVDS and plug that into the original grey, like so. And the pink one is going to go in its place. So looking at the module, we're going to have LVDS in is pink, so it's going to go out of the MMI system into the module. And then it's going to go out of the module and into the screen through that. Next up, we have our plug and play harness right here. So that's going to go, so is that going to go like that. And we have a audio output, and then we've got a secondary harness for this plug here. So we plug that in, and then that's our power for the module. So that can go to there, and then you can look at where you want to mount the module. Behind here somewhere, out of the way, we'll find somewhere nice. We've got our Wi-Fi antenna, microphone, and also USB. And then that's pretty much the job done. So what we have to do is obviously neaten everything up and run everything. But at a glance, that is it. So we've got audio out, and then we've got audio in. Nice and easy. You can get creative with the mic. In my car, I've got it behind the roof lining here. You can just clip it wherever you want. You can also put it behind this panel here. I think that's what we're going to do in yours. And obviously you can see there's a gap right here. If the microphone's mounted right behind this panel here, it's going to pick up voice without a problem, and it's concealed. There's also a rear and a front camera input, so if you want to add up to 2 cameras, you can do that. So right here, pretty much this panel inside is a big flat open area right there. You can sort of see me pushing on it. We can put some double-sided on the module and stick it right there. So you can see it's right here. Now the good thing about these mics is they have little clips on them, which is right there. So we can aim that down, and then once that is back on, the mic is sitting right there through this hole. So you can't see anything, but right through there, there's a mic sitting right there. I can actually feel it. And that will pick up your voice. And then the excess, I'm going to tuck it with my hand over to here, and then from the other side I can reach over and pull it through. So we'll get our new harness plugged in. Get out, we need the fibre optic plugged in. technically speaking, that's all we need for video. Beautiful. And then if we hold, hello. Oh yeah. Good to know. Alright guys, bit of a recap. So right behind there is where we've mounted the mic. If you look close enough with the torch, you could probably actually see it. It's just hidden right behind there. And this is our wiring. So we've got the quad lock connector plugged in. We've taped up all our looms. So we've got some extra bundles here. So that's going to get neatened up and put behind here. Module is mounted on this panel behind here. Okay, can't move it, which is good. Then we've got our screen output coming from there, so that will tie into this loom here, sort of plug in like that to the genuine system. Our USB is coming out, so we are just going to run that into the glove box. You can run that wherever you want. It's going to be difficult to get it in here, but if you want to, you can. And basically that can just stay in the glove box, and you can use the CarPlay wirelessly, so you don't really need it. You can also do software updates through that. And yeah, that's about it. We're ready to go, and then we can see how it looks. Okay guys, so as you've seen, this radio module just went in smoothly now, so I had to remove it, rerun the wiring above the glove box, and then that's allowed it to go back. USB is just coming out here from behind this panel, and that is it. Finished putting in some screws, and the job is done. Guys, that is the Audi S3 done. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.